Hi everybody, Chad here for I Can Do That, and I want to take a minute to thank you for the response on this little router table video. It's been fantastic, and I want to show you a simple upgrade that we're adding to it. Originally, when we made our router table, we added this cross-cutting sled to it, and it works fine, but there is some concern about it racking and not being locked into place. So here's a real easy upgrade. I first got some 1/4 inch thick stock, and I'm just going to screw it to the edge of the router table. The piece itself is actually wider than the thickness of the table, and that's going to be important. Now on the sled I have a couple more pieces of some 1/4 inch thick stock. The first piece I had to rip this down to 3/4 inch because that's the actual thickness of the tabletop here. The next piece is another 1/4 inch, same size as the rail we just put on the front of the table. Now when I put the sled on, it's going to interlock with the rail. Thereby keeping it in place so it can't move, improving the cuts that you're going to make on your router table. Well, I hope you enjoy this little feature we add to it, and stay tuned for more episodes of I Can Do That, where we're going to maximize the use of this router table.